I'm Dr. Michael Casaro, and this is October 12th, 2013. We just finished today's edition of the Painless Living Show. It was a good show. The show topic today was arthritis. We talked about arthritis pretty much anywhere in the body, but we got some great calls. One of the callers had arthritis so bad that he was having to have his hips replaced, but he was also so active that he really didn't need much to handle the pain. And if you listen to the show recording, you'll find out just how little medication it took for him to handle his pain because of the activity level. And that serves as a great point for our other listeners about the benefits of activity when you have arthritis. We also got a call from somebody in Maui whose arthritis was so bad he was having pinched nerves. You might want to listen to see what we advised him, because there's more to it than just the arthritis in the bone that could help his pain. Listen to the live show every week from 11 to noon Eastern Time on Saturdays, and feel free to listen to these recordings anytime so you can lead a pain-free life.